Here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money on PayPal. First, go to paypal.com and log in using your email and password. Once you're logged in, look at the top of the page and click Send and Request. This is where you can send money to friends, family, or anyone with an email. Next, type the email address or mobile number of the person you want to send money to. After entering it, click Next. Now enter the amount you want to send. Make sure the currency is correct, and you can also write a short note if needed. When everything looks good, click Continue. PayPal will now show your available payment methods. You can pay using your PayPal balance, a linked bank account, or a debit card. Choose the option you prefer and click Continue. Next, PayPal will ask whether the payment is for friends and family or goods and services. Use friends and family for personal payments. Use goods and services if you're buying something or paying a seller. On the final screen, review all the details. If everything is correct, click Send Payment Now. And that's it. Your payment has been sent through PayPal.